ChatGPT is this very cool chatbot which uses deep learning to produce text that resembles that of a human. ChatGPT can respond to numerous questions in a very natural way, much like your own personal tutor who is very well versed in all subjects. In fact, there's a lot of discussion going on these days whether or not ChatGPT can replace actual human assistants, so virtual assistants. So let's get right into it. I've logged on to openai.com. I've registered an account. This is their ChatGPT homepage. As you can see, we have a bunch of options. Like we can give it some prompts to see what it shares with us. This is still a beta version of ChatGPT, so there might be some bugs. They have given this warning that right now it may occasionally produce some harmful instructions. We're not supposed to follow it. It's just for testing and trial purposes for now. And they're trying to improve this based on user feedback. Let's check it out. What is the difference between SAP EWM and Blue Yonder WMS? Now, it's a very technical thing from work. SAP Extended Warehouse Management is a module of SAP Supply Chain Management suite that provides advanced tools for managing warehouse operations, including warehouse structure and design, inventory management, labor management. Perfect. Blue Yonder WMS is a separate standalone warehouse management system that offers similar functionality to EWM. The main difference between the two is that SAP EWM is a module of the broader SAP SEM suite, while Blue Yonder WMS is a standalone system. I absolutely agree with this. Additionally, EWM and Blue Yonder may have different features and capabilities, so it's important to compare them in detail. Okay, let's grill ChatGPT on this a bit more. What is the detailed comparison of SAP EWM and Blue Yonder WMS? As I mentioned earlier, like it remembers that it just gave us a response, and just as a human would say, as I mentioned earlier, a bit annoyed, I guess, at me that SAP EWM is a module of SEM suite. Okay, operations, However, they have different features. Okay, I guess now this was super technical. This is something which is not even available easily on Google. If you try to browse through tons of web pages, it's hard to get this answer. So it is understandable. It did give a reasonable answer. What are the interview questions for an SAP EWM consultant? How is SAP EWM different from other warehouse management systems? What are some of the common challenges? Customization and configuration tasks. Can you describe your experiences for inventory management? Can you describe training and supporting? These are very good interview questions, actually. So, this is pretty good. So, folks, here you have it. ChatGPT, made by OpenAI. You can use it to do some cool things. We can use it to write poetry. We can use it to write scripts for YouTube videos. We can use it to write essays. We can use it to write research papers. You can use it for life advice, although take that advice with a grain of salt. Interview questions for jobs. We can use it for writing basic code to make websites. You can use it to write jokes, and basically you can talk to it as you would talk to any very smart and learned human being to ask them questions and see what they say. Thank you so much.